Take your blending experience to the next level without breaking the bank. The Optimum G2.6 Professional Blender by Froothie might just be the blender that will serve you for the next decade. Froothie's G2.6 blender is preferred by thousands of households and commercial kitchens around the world. It has one of the most powerful motors on the market at 2400 watts and 25,000 maximum RPM, combined with a 6-blade assembly that will blend even the hardest ingredients. With 6 pre-programmed blending settings and a 10-speed manual control plus timer, you will have an easy time controlling and automatic your blending process. The G2.6 comes with a 2-liter wet and dry jug that will allow you to make smoothies, soups, nut butters, shakes, spreads, dips and much more for your entire family in just one go. You can also get an optional 1-liter jug for your smaller blending needs. All this with a modern LED control panel, the Optimum G2.6 stands out from any crowd. The functionality and power of the Optimum G2.6 makes it an amazing choice for both domestic and commercial use, while being 20 to 40% less expensive than similar blenders from rival brands. The Optimum G2.6 cleans itself and is totally dishwasher safe. The G2.6 comes with a 10-year domestic warranty that will guarantee that it serves you for years to come. Not to mention the hundreds of 5-star reviews we've received from happy customers on Product Review Australia, Trustpilot and other platforms. We can safely say it's one of our best reviewed appliances yet. The Optimum G2.6 from Froothie is currently on sale price at 588 Australian dollars, discounted from 1,000. Get the G2.6 blender today and save $412. The Optimum G2.6, your life companion.